This is a video of 20 watts DC. They say 20 watts DC, 12 volt supply. Positive, negative soldered. Yeah, this is negative here, this is positive here. I have soldered it. Okay, I have this mosquito repellent. It was available in the market. Mosquito repellent. Here there was some machine, and this does not work actually. This they sell it for 50 rupees. Something like this. So I took this for 50 rupees and I broke few of these things, and then I put this thing over there. I'll show it to you if it can come out. Here it comes out. I put some cooling ointment, which is called, you can put anything. Say you can put Colgate Palmolive also. It has a calcium. It has to have a something which can keep this thing cool. I put aluminum foil behind it. Now these stacks were already there. Points were already there. See, already there. So I did not break. I broke few off and somehow got the idea of fixing it like this. It has got fixed. Now the rear end taping was important. Why? Because if I tape it, it will be like this now. It has to go inside the power plant system. Then I got a driver. This driver I bought 12 volt 2 ampere. Alright, just 10 volt 2 ampere. From this I opened this box. I took out this driver. Be very precise to see this. This is a 12 volt driver. Okay. See the wiring? You see the wiring? So the AC goes to the AC point inside, and the DC goes to the light. Now I'll fix it somehow and cover it with this, like this. I have broken this one I have broken. So I have broken this, and along with this here also it was there, got broken. So the nut which I had here, I have removed it. So now let us see whether this works or not, or else I lose 20 rupees because I bought it for 20 rupees, and this I bought it for say around this I bought for 40 rupees. This is a 12 volt 220 to 12 volt 2 ampere. They say 2 ampere, but it is not 2 ampere. It will be hardly say 800 mAh, not more than that. It won't go that. It will not go more than this thing. But the best part is that to host this entire thing, I found this mosquito repellent, which was available in the market for 50 rupees, and they cheat around by selling this sasta device, cheap device. They say this is a mosquito repellent, people buy it, but I think this is utilized in a better way. I use like so for some time it is okay. Let's see. What I bought this for 50 rupees. So my entire investment is 50 rupees, 20 rupees, and this is 40 rupees again. 5090 plus 110, and the light is 12 volts. At night time we'll start it, and I'll show you how much time it glows. How much time it glows. These are very cheap. They are found in India. Very very cheap. They come in 20 rupees. Low quality, adapter, 12 volt adapter. It will work for say around 6 months, and by that time your 110 rupees will be covered. This is what I'm going to try to do. Let me cover it, and I'll give you a call. I'll show it to you after covering it. Once I have broken this point here. Once I have broken this point here, so what I'll have to do is I'll have to apply the entire gum here on the all sides. I'll put gum on the all sides. If I put gum, so in that case it will get covered. So this is all for the time being right now, and then I'll start it after getting it fixed. The taping has got to be done in a wonderful way so that this does not give you shocks. That is urgent. That is very very important. So let's see how close I am, and I have to put the phone down because I'm recording with my phone. So for 2 minutes I'll have to stop this video here. Again I'll resume in 1 second after closing the door. Okay. I have covered it with cello tape. Close the thing, and this is the plug point wiring. Put it inside, and it says not glow because it has started glowing, and it's daylight right now, so you cannot see it with the naked eyes. It has so much power. You cannot see it with naked eyes. Good power it has. Great good power. And I'll tell you one thing, that to run this light you require that solution to be applied behind that light. That is important, and it is good for some say around for half an hour's time, half an hour or 1 hour's time. You have some work over there, because it will glow and then it will diminish, and then again it will rise. This is the effect of this 20 rupees light. Good one. You can try it. Thank you.